Hi everybody, and welcome back with the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to enable or disable Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone 17. So, at first we need to go straight to the control panel over here. So scroll from the top to the middle as you can see, and go to the first page over here. Here as you can see we have this focus, and if we tap this moon icon, we'll have Do Not Disturb. We can, as you can see, select different focuses. Here they have, as you can see, disturb. But if you don't have this control, hold your finger on the background, tap add a control, and now scroll down to the focus. You'll see it here. If you tap that, now, as you can see, second one enabled. Here you have two one. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.